Are you lost?
Yes, a little lost.
Do you need help?
Yes, please help me.
Do you have a map?
Yes, on my phone.
Is the map clear?
Yes, quite clear.
Where do you want to go?
I want the library.
Is it far?
No, not far.
How far is it?
About 5 minutes.
Do you know the way?
Yes, I do.
Can you show me?
Yes, of course.
Do I turn left?
No, turn right.
Do I go straight?
Yes, go straight.
Is there a traffic light?
Yes, at the corner.
Do I cross the road?
Yes, at the crosswalk.
Is the crosswalk safe?
Yes, very safe.
What street is this?
This is Oak Street.
Is Oak Street long?
Yes, quite long.
Where is City Center?
It is that way.
Is it far from here?
No, half a mile.
Can I walk there?
Yes, you can walk.
Is the road busy?
Yes, a little busy.
Are there many cars?
Yes, some cars.
Is there a park nearby?
Yes, just ahead.
Is there a cafe here?
Yes, Cafe Luna.
Is it open now?
Yes, it is.
Where is the museum?
In the museum district.
Is the museum far?
No, very close.
Can I take a bus?
Yes, bus stops nearby.
Where is the bus stop?
It is over there.
Is the bus frequent?
Yes, every 10 minutes.
Do I need cash?
No, card is fine.
Is there a taxi?
Yes, on Main Street.
Is Main Street close?
Yes, just 2 blocks.
What is a block?
1 block is short.
How many blocks?
Just 2 blocks away.
Is there a shortcut?
Yes, through the park.
Is the park safe?
Yes, very safe.
Is it a nice park?
Yes, very nice.
Are there benches?
Yes, many benches.
Can I rest there?
Yes, of course.
Is the library big?
Yes, very big.
Is it free to enter?
Yes, it is free.
What time does it open?
It opens at 9.
Is it open today?
Yes, it is open.
Where is the entrance?
On the left side.
Is there a sign?
Yes, a big sign.
Can I park here?
No, no parking here.
Where can I park?
On the next street.
Is parking free?
No, it costs money.
Is it expensive?
No, very cheap.
Do you live here?
Yes, I live nearby.
Do you know this area?
Yes, very well.
Is this a nice area?
Yes, I love it.
Are the people friendly?
Yes, very friendly.
Is it safe here?
Yes, very safe.
Is there a hospital nearby?
Yes, on 5th Street.
Is there a pharmacy?
Yes, near the corner.
Is there a supermarket?
Yes, 2 blocks away.
Is there a school here?
Yes, just ahead.
Is the school big?
Yes, quite big.
Is there a post office?
Yes, on Oak Street.
Where is the nearest ATM?
Near the cafe entrance.
Is it working now?
Yes, it is working.
Do you have a pen?
Yes, here you go.
Can you write it down?
Yes, I will write.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Is it easy to find?
Yes, very easy.
Will I get lost again?
No, just follow signs.
Are the signs clear?
Yes, all in English.
What if I get lost?
Ask someone for help.
Are people helpful here?
Yes, always helpful.
Should I use my phone?
Yes, use your map.
Is Google Maps good?
Yes, very accurate.
Do you use maps often?
Yes, all the time.
Is this your first visit?
Yes, my first time.
Do you like this city?
Yes, I love it.
Is the city beautiful?
Yes, very beautiful.
Will you come back?
Yes, definitely yes.
Thank you for directions.
Happy to help you.